Thank you for stopping by Stars and Stripes Harley-Davidson dealership YouTube channel in Langhorne, PA. We have here a new bike to our used bike inventory. Absolutely stunning 2013 Big Blue Pearl XL883L. So it's a 55 cubic inch or 883 cc Sportster low. There's a chrome finish, but the spokes on the wheels do have a black finish. The vivid black is on the oil pan and the belt guard, among a couple other things. Most of it is chrome, bob fenders, but a little bit of a thicker tire. Okay, not so much the 883 custom, or the 1200 custom look. Or an iron look. We have a LED headlight, a windshield, easily detachable right here. Got some covers on the grips. A little bit of damage here. Other than that, spectacular. A lot of no play. We have a 2-up seat and a bag on the Sissy bar. Again, easily detachable. Just right here. Pull that up and lift that up. Once the back tube, you'll be able to easily pull that off with the backrest. Small but effective. You need something when you're on these things, especially with the seat this thin. But it is very comfortable, and the look is amazing. The rear suspension is progressive shocks. The passenger pegs, these are stock, but the shifter peg and the highway pegs are all done up. It does have an inch guard, quite circular, rounded out, with the highway pegs. The mileage reads 502 miles on a 2013. Super rare to find something of this age. And here we have with 502 miles. Let's go with a cold start. Small display, the turn signals, high beams, neutral, oil. Then you have other indicators up here. And otherwise, you have a speedometer and odometer, no tach. All set. Beautiful bike. Thanks so much for watching. We have this here for a test ride. Come on by. And a beautiful blue pearl. Quite a few add-ons and super low miles. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below on what you think about this Sportster. Have a good one.